Hey, welcome back to the WordPress Basics videos. Now, in this next video, what I want to do is I want to show you how you can easily add a YouTube video right to your page or post with nothing more than the website or the video address. So, if you have a video at YouTube that you want in there, I want this video. This is a really funny video from these guys that make these really funny videos on YouTube, and I want to go ahead and post that into my website. Now, there are a couple ways that you can do it, but the absolute easiest way to do it is just go ahead and copy the web address. Copy the URL address, okay? All you want is youtube.com/watch $V equals, and it's going to have, it's like 10 digits, okay? You just want to copy that address right there. Copy it, and then all we need to do is paste that address. WordPress has become smart enough that they know that if you paste that address, it's because you want that video to show up in your post or your page. So all we have to do is click on update. We'll go ahead and refresh this page. I actually put it down at the bottom so you can see it better. But when we refresh this page, you can see our video is now embedded onto our page, and when we click play, it starts playing for us. Okay, so that's how that you embed a video from YouTube nowadays. It's really easy to do. That's definitely going to be the easiest way to do it. You can also go in there and get an embed code and then enter that into the HTML code on WordPress, but I just find it's much easier just to paste in the link right to the video. I will see you in the next video.